Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to convert your Wix website to WordPress in 2025, step by step, whether you are moving for more control, better SEO, or flexibility. I have got you covered. Wix to now uh Wix is a Wix is great for beginners, but WordPress gives you more power and control. Here's why people switch: more themes and plugins, better SEO tools, full control over design, and hosting lower long term cost, scalable for serious growth. First of all, you need to you need a WordPress friendly big WordPress friendly hosting provider. Popular options include like Bluehost, Hostinger, and SiteGround. Once you sign up, use the one-click WordPress installer in your dashboard. Within minutes, your WordPress site will be ready. Go to WordPress dashboard. Wix doesn't offer a direct export to WordPress, so you have to do it manually or with a tool. Copy and paste your page content into WordPress pages, save images, and upload them to the WordPress media library. Go to your wixsite.com slash your wixsite.com slash feed.xml. Import RSS to WordPress via tools. Import Use the RSS importer plugin. Go to tools, then import and see choose from full list. Now we restart it. This imports your blog posts. Pages must still be recreated manually. Now it's time to recreate your Wix site web design. Using a WordPress theme or page builder like Elementor. Install a free theme from your WordPress dashboard. Go to uh, appearance, then themes, search for Astra or occasion, Astra, etc. Use Elementor or Spectra for drag and drop editing. Rebuild home, about, services, etc. Install a theme, customize the homepage with a page builder, set homepage in settings, then reading. If you have a custom domain on Wix, you can point it to your new website, WordPress website. Go to Wix domain settings, click on settings. If you have a custom domain on Wix, you can point it to your new WordPress domain. Go to Wix domain settings, DS, update DNS, records to your new host, set your domain as primary in WordPress hosting dashboard. Also use a redirection plugin in to set up 301 redirects for your old URLs to the new pages. This helps SEO. Don't forget to rebuild your contact forms, menus, and optimize SEO. WP forms or contact form 7 for forms. Go to your plugins and search for WP form. Install it and also install Google Sitekit for easy analytics and search console. Rebuild menus under appearance, then menus. Before going live, go through this final checklist. Mobile responsiveness, test all links and buttons, speed or optimization, backup using Updraft Plus. When you are ready, make your site live and share it with the world. And that's how you move from Wix to WordPress in 2025. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more website tutorials, and let me know in the comments, are you team WordPress or Wix? Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.